Hi, I'm Steve Pierce, owner, funeral director, and embalmer of Bennett May Giles County Funeral Home. I want to take a second and talk to you about the importance of pre-need funeral planning. I have a lot of people ask me, how do pre-needs work? How does pre-need funeral planning work? It's very, very simple. Here at Bennett May Giles County Funeral Home, we put our pre-needs into an insurance product with Homesteaders Life Insurance. A family will come in and sit down with us, and we'll make arrangements. We'll ask about their wishes, what type service they want. We'll talk about the merchandise, the casket, the vault. It's very important and a much more comfortable situation for you to be able to sit down before a death occurs and make your wishes known. Like I said before, it is such an easy process to come in and sit down and express your wishes, the type service you want. Many people also ask about, well, how do I prepay for a funeral? It can be done very easily. It can be done on a 3-year or a 5-year or a 10-year payment plan, or it can be done at a lump sum. Another important factor is you can pre-plan your funeral with the current funeral prices today and not have to worry about price increases as the years go by. Here at Bennett May Giles County Funeral Home, we make pre-need funeral planning easy and simple. And it is something that you can give as a gift to your family so they don't have to make these hard decisions when that time comes.